cleanly, cleanliness, cleanly, cleanliness, cleanliness, cleanly. What? Yo, what's going on YouTube, bruh? Welcome back to another YouTube man on the channel, bro. Yo, we've been uploading, man. We've been making all the content we really could. Before y'all even start talking shit, bro, that is not a cum stain on my damn shoulder. That is syrup. Bye-bye. In this video, I got for y'all 10 things you should do at the beginning of every month. Now, these 10 things gonna be about stuff you could do to better yourself, better your life, bro. Make life a little bit easier. Bro, this is only like 30% of y'all that subscribe, bro. It's right here, bro. Bro, could y'all subscribe, bro? But thank y'all for 60 subscribers, though. I'm not complaining. Thank y'all for 60 subscribers, bro. But it's 66% of y'all that's watching this video right now and don't got the time to just subscribe, bro. I know I'm ugly, bro. I know y'all tired of seeing this black ass face in front of the camera, bro. But subscribe, bro. Just subscribe and don't watch my videos no more. Just do that for me, bro. Then it'll be. No, I'm just playing, bro. But just subscribe, bro. Subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing y'all should be doing to start off every month is make a monthly calendar, bro. Now the reason I say this is because now if you got a monthly calendar and you scratching off every day on that calendar, you won't miss little things you got coming up in school. You won't miss little stuff you got coming up doing in life. So like if somebody say, are you free a certain day, you can actually check your schedule so you won't be double planning stuff. Cause I know people who really got a life out here, y'all are playing something with somebody else and then y'all playing something with somebody else and then somebody else will bring a plan and then you are playing something with them and then now you gotta pick last minute. Then the other person gonna be bummed out because you ain't want to show up. So you know everybody done went through that thing one day and I know y'all don't want to go through it again. Number 2 is track your monthly spending budget. Now, if you track your monthly spending budget, this gonna help you in the long run for the end of the year. So like, say if you saving up for say if you getting older like me, I'm finna be 18 years old in 3 months, and you saving up for a house or something. So I'm saving up for a house, so I shouldn't be spending that much money every month because I'm saving up for something. So what you do is only make yourself spend a certain amount a month and save a certain amount based off every check you get coming in. Spend a certain amount and save a certain amount and watch everything will go right in the long run for you. Only reason I say that is because when I track my spending, like not even like cause I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say I track my spending monthly. I ain't gonna sit here and cap. It's something that all these tips I'm giving y'all is something that I gotta improve on too, and that's something I thought I gotta improve on too. So don't think that I'm sitting here trying to think I'm better than anybody or something like that because I'm giving y'all tips like I'm out here doing all these tips. No, nobody perfect. So like, but for an example, like if I spend a check and I get a check and I save half of it, spend half of it, it'll help out in the long run because you'll have emergency money or somebody going out and you got a little extra money because you decided to save your little money, bro. The good nicks and crannies of monthly spending. Number 3 is set monthly goals. Now, I'm setting myself a goal in the next couple months, but I want to hit 100 subscribers by June. Hopefully we'll hit that. More likely it looks like from the looks of everything, we gonna hit that before June. But I'm gonna give it to June just to give so I won't be rushing into stuff, because I know YouTube gonna take a process to actually get busted and actually get famous. For tip number 4 is, bro, start a 30-day challenge. I say this because, bro, 30-day challenges is fun, and then it'll get you that, what's that called? Discipline. You a game, yeah. Science, Nick, science. Boy, if you don't get like, you could do a 30-day exercise. I said that in my last video, so I don't want to say the same thing twice. You could do 30-day running. You could do 30 days on YouTube and see where it goes. Start a month on YouTube and make a video every day. Make 30 videos and see where it goes. Watch it, and you will probably gain subscribers. Make it a video every day for 30 days. Most definitely, somebody gonna watch your damn video. For tip number 5 is gonna be something weird. Organize your phone. Now, like, this ain't gonna make sense. everybody go to their emails right now. You got over 1,000 emails up in your email. Click some of them emails. Go to your messages. Scroll down. Scroll all the way down. Scroll down. You see all the random numbers up in there? Delete some of them random numbers that you done blocked already. What are you holding on to them numbers for, bro? Organize your phone. Make stuff look make you look nice for yourself. You gonna be able to go on your phone, make your phone look nice, blah blah blah. Do little stuff like that. Tip number 6 is make a monthly to-do list. I say that to say this. Some people always say they finna do something later and then they forget about it. So if you put it on your to-do list for the month and keep that list by you, every morning when you wake up, read that list. Number 7 is, bro, do some deep cleaning, bro. Only reason I say do some nice cleaning is due to the fact that, because I know a lot of people got dirty stuff in their house that they don't want to clean up and they avoid it because it's dirty. And I know you don't want to clean that shit up because it's dirty. So that's exactly why. Do some deep cleaning. If y'all going, man, so you can go clean your room. I know I got to do some deep cleaning on my damn room because I know my room ain't the cleanest. You can do some deep cleaning on your room. You can do some deep cleaning on your kitchen. You can do some deep cleaning on your bathroom. You can do some deep cleaning on anything, bro. Do some nice cleaning. Make your house look good for that month. At the beginning of every month. A nice, perfect clean. No half cleaning every month. Come on, though. Once every, you can clean, deep clean, and once every 30 days you got a deep clean. That's not that bad. If you don't want to clean once every 30 days, you need to go do something with your life. We on tip number 8, whatever we on. Schedule some meetings. Schedule some what's it called? Get-togethers, some gatherings with family members. Go out to eat. Schedule some stuff at the beginning of the month that you can do. I guess these people with some extra moolah in their pocket, I guess. Schedule something for like you and your family do monthly, because it's always good to interact with your family at least once a month due to the fact that it's family. So if you don't want to lose if you lose these people and not be able to see these people, you're gonna be a little hurt. And the way you not be a little hurt is to interact. For tip number 9, it kind of goes with cleaning your house, but organize your house. Like, put your clothes, fold your clothes, stack them in the right spots. Put shirts with shirts, put boxers with boxers, put that with that. Take the stuff out your hamper. Have empty hampers. Make sure everything's folded nice and neat. Make sure you put dirty clothes with dirty clothes. Set up a dirty clothes hamper. You know, set up all that. Because I know it's some people who just put everything on their flow and they don't even care about cleanliness, bro. So, yeah, let's go on to the next. For the final tip, it's going to go in with the tip where you have a monthly spending budget. Do your monthly spending at the beginning of the month, so you won't have to do any more extra spending. So whatever you think you need at the beginning of the month, you can go buy your nice products, supplies, anything you want at the beginning of the month, which means your monthly spending could be like all your essentials, your toothbrush, toothpaste, tissue, all that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, do your monthly shopping for yourself. So if it could be anything in reality. Do your monthly shopping at the beginning so you won't have to do it at the end or the middle, and you won't be spending unnecessary money. So the extra money you do spend could be going out with friends, saving it up for yourself, doing anything you want to do. But that's going to be it for the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, bro. Subscribe, bro. Get us to 100 subscribers, man. That's all I'm asking for. After 100, 1K coming so easily. We running it. We finna run these subscribers up. You know the grind not finna stop. And bro, subscribe. Peace out, bro.